Imagine stepping into your Honda on a 38-degree-Celsius summer afternoon, turning the AC to maximum, and instead of freezing cold air, you get nothing but a weak, lukewarm breeze. Most drivers immediately assume the compressor has failed and prepare for an expensive repair bill. But here is the shocking truth. Honda dealerships often charge $150 to $250 just for AC diagnostics, even though many cooling problems are caused by simple, inexpensive maintenance issues. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 simple, budget-friendly tips to transform your Honda's AC from a weak breeze into an absolute icebox. Stick until the end, because the final trick is one that many Honda technicians perform after repairs, yet most owners have never even heard of it. Let's dive in. Trick number 1. Replace the cabin air filter first. If your Honda's AC feels weak, even though you hear the fan running, then the cabin air filter should be your first suspect. This filter traps dust, pollen, leaves, and road debris before air enters the cabin. Over time, it becomes clogged, which, in result, restricts airflow and makes the evaporator work much harder. Many drivers mistake this reduced airflow for a bad compressor when it's actually just a dirty filter. Honda recommends inspecting the cabin filter roughly every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, depending on driving conditions. In almost every modern Honda, this is a 2-minute, tool-free job. Step 1. Open your glove box. Step 2. Squeeze the outer walls inward to release the stop tabs. Step 3. Pop off the plastic cover, slide the old filter out, and slide a fresh one in. Replacing this inexpensive filter often restores strong airflow immediately and can make the cabin feel noticeably colder without touching the refrigerant system. Trick number 2. Use the 30-second heat purge trick. I know it's tempting to start the car, blast the AC, and run back inside the house for 10 minutes. Instead of blasting the AC the moment you get in, roll down all the windows and drive for 20 to 30 seconds. Why? Because the air trapped inside a parked car can reach 140 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. That forces your AC to cool an oven before it cools you. Flushing out that superheated air first instantly reduces the cooling load on the system. Tests have shown that this simple habit can shorten cabin cool-down time by about 40% and improve vent temperatures by 3 to 6 degrees Fahrenheit during the first few minutes of driving. Once the hot air escapes, close the windows and turn on the AC. You will get ice-cold air in half the time. Trick number 3. Recirculation button secret. See this button right here? The one with the little spinning arrow inside the car? This is your AC's secret weapon. If you leave your AC on fresh air mode, then your AC compressor has to constantly pull scorching hot 95-degree outside air into the cabin and try to cool it down. That is incredibly hard work for a small car engine. Instead, once you have cleared the initial heat out of the car by opening the windows, then turn on recirculation. This tells your Honda to take the already cooled air inside the cabin and run it back through the AC coils over and over again. The cabin gets colder, faster, and your system doesn't have to work nearly as hard. Automotive climate control testing consistently shows that recirculation mode provides lower vent temperatures and faster cabin cooling under hot conditions. However, it is not ideal in every situation. During rainy weather, or when the windows begin fogging, temporarily switching back to fresh air mode helps remove excess humidity. Knowing when to use each mode allows your Honda's AC system to operate at maximum efficiency in every season. Trick number 4. Defeat the auto start-stop system. If you drive a modern Honda car, you probably have that feature where the engine shuts off at stoplights to save gas. It's great for the environment, but it is the enemy of cold air. Because the vast majority of automotive AC compressors are mechanically driven by the engine's serpentine belt, so when the engine shuts off, your AC compressor stops spinning. Your fan will keep blowing, but the air will slowly start getting warm and humid. During a typical 45-second traffic light stop in peak summer heat, the refrigerant cycle grinds to a halt, and the air emerging from your dashboard vents can spike from a crisp 42 degrees Fahrenheit to over 60 degrees Fahrenheit. This interruption not only stops the cooling process, that increases cabin humidity by up to 15% and makes the air feel sticky. In many cars, simply putting the AC on max AC or switching your car into sport mode automatically tells the computer to keep the engine running at stoplights, so your compressor keeps spinning. This ensures a steady, uninterrupted flow of chilled, dehumidified air throughout your entire commute. Trick number 5. 3-button combo trick. Modern Honda climate control systems rely on complex electronic stepper motors, called blend door actuators, to mix hot air from your engine's heater core with cold air from the AC evaporator. Over thousands of driving miles, the digital positional calibration of these actuators can drift, or a minor electrical glitch can cause the blend door to get stuck slightly open and allow a steady stream of hot engine air contaminate your cold air supply. To fix this without buying new parts, you can trigger Honda's built-in HVAC self-diagnostic and recalibration sequence using a hidden 3-button combo trick. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. Step 2. Set the fan speed dial to off and turn the temperature control to max cool. Step 3. Press and hold both the recirculation control button and the rear defrost button simultaneously together for about 5 to 10 seconds. Step 4. While holding those two buttons down, turn your ignition switch to the on position, or press your engine's start-stop button twice without stepping on the brake pedal. On many Honda models, the climate control display or indicator lights will begin flashing, indicating that the HVAC control unit has entered its self-calibration mode. Step 5. Release the buttons and wait about 30 to 60 seconds while the system recalibrates the air mix doors. Step 6. Once the blinking stops, turn the ignition off. If your Honda's blend door was slightly out of calibration and allowing warm air to mix with cold air, this reset can restore normal cooling performance. Many owners report stronger airflow and more consistent cabin temperatures afterward, especially after a battery replacement or electrical repair. Trick number 6. Window tint hack. One of the smartest ways to improve your Honda's air conditioning isn't by modifying the AC system at all. It's by reducing the amount of heat entering the cabin. Most people think window tint is only for privacy, but its biggest advantage is actually heat rejection. High-quality ceramic window tint can block up to 99% of harmful UV rays and reject 50 to 70% of the sun's infrared heat. That means your cabin absorbs far less heat throughout the day, so your AC has much less work to do. Ceramic tint doesn't interfere with GPS, Bluetooth, or keyless entry signals. By reducing solar heat entering the cabin, the AC reaches your desired temperature much faster, and the compressor cycles less often. Professional installers often report cabin surface temperatures dropping by 10 to 20 degrees Fahrenheit compared with untinted vehicles under the same conditions. The result is colder-feeling air, faster cool-down after parking in the sun, less wear on the compressor, and a far more comfortable driving experience.
Trick number 7. Run your AC all year, even in winter. Here is the little-known maintenance secret that experienced mechanics have followed for decades. Even if it's freezing outside, run your air conditioner for 10 to 15 minutes every 2 weeks. Most people think the AC is only for summer, but it's actually a lubrication system as much as it is a cooling system. Vehicles that sit for months without using the AC are much more likely to develop dried-out seals and refrigerant leaks. Mechanics often notice that cars driven year-round with regular AC use have fewer compressor failures than vehicles that only use the AC during summer. This simple habit can help maintain maximum cooling performance, reduce the risk of expensive leaks, and potentially extend compressor life by several years. That's all for this video. A few minutes of preventive maintenance each year can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars in future repairs while keeping your Honda comfortable during the hottest summer days. If you found these Honda AC tricks helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more professional car maintenance tips.